The sunroom is spectacular in its build. It comes with a lot of different features that are really incredible. The lighting on the inside is a really nice bonus. Also, the louvered roof structure opens fully. So in the summer, when you really want some nice heat, you can flip that right open. Otherwise, it provides a full waterproof enclosure. The screens are automated and they drop down. And one of the really nice things about this product is it's customizable. So we can actually have the screens lower on any sides. We can build fixed walls. And also the really nice thing about aluminum pergola in particular is the beefiness of this. I know that's a funny word, but the quality of the aluminum is it's a thicker gauge steel, and there's a lot of different things you can do with this. So one of the nice things about the aluminum pergolas in particular is that it does provide you with a 3-season room. You get full waterproof enclosure on the top, as well as the screens themselves are very wind resistant, which is really great. The waterproof capabilities at the top, this actually is fully rated for snow load as well. So in the winter, you can easily come in here, drop the screens. There's different options that you can include as well. You can include heaters in here, which really makes it a functional space, even down in very cold temperatures. With the wind resistance of the screens and the heaters inside, you can keep this really nice and warm almost all year round. Maybe not in the -30s, but close enough. We've actually ran power into all of the posts as well. It just gives a nice option. You can do all kinds of things with the posts themselves. You can mount TVs to them, and having the power ran directly into them provides you with a nice ability to have even just lamps or different kind of accessories that you like in your enclosed space. If you're interested in having one of these beautiful pools installed or one of the amazing outdoor pergolas, you can actually have this as a nice heated change room, which is a great thing. If you'd like either one of these options, which is really incredible in a backyard, we're here for you.